Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Dr. Shahzad. Today we are going to discuss the secretions, biosynthesis and structure of prolactin and chorionic somatomammotropins. We will discuss these two hormones today. Prolactin is also called lactogenic hormone or mammotrophin hormone and luteotrophic hormone. Prolactin is one of the most versatile hormone. It considered adoptive hormone due to its key role in modulation of stress responses and during pregnancy and lactation. The level of prolactin is lowest at midday and its level is highest occur after deep sleep. This is the structure of prolactin, which is also called lactogenic hormone, mammotrophin hormone or luteotrophic hormone. Prolactin is a protein molecule with a single polypeptide chain containing 198 amino acid with 3 disulfide bonds, one at 4 and 11 position, second at 58 and 73 position, and third one is at 190 and 198 position. Amino acids, number of amino acids 198 and 3 disulfide bonds. One at, again I am repeating, one at 4 and 11, second is 58 and 73, third one is at 190 and 198. Its molecular mass is about 23 kilodalton. Sorry. Its general structure is compared to that of growth hormone, as we have already discussed in previous lectures. This is secreted by lactotrope cells of anterior pituitary, which are acidophilic which are acidophilic cells. The number of these cells and their size, increase dramatically during pregnancy. Again, I am repeating, their number and their size increase dramatically during pregnancy. The similarities between the structure and function of prolactin, growth hormone, and chorionic somatomammotrophin has already been discussed in previous lecture. Prolactin receptor is similar in size to the growth hormone receptor, which we have already discussed. It also has a single membrane spanning domain, and it signals through pathways similar as we have already discussed while we were discussing the receptor and signaling pathway of growth hormone. The regulation of prolactin you are seeing in this diagram. The regulation of prolactin synthesis and secretion is primarily under tonic inhibition of this. I'm getting laser pointer to signify. This is the dopamine. The I'm again repeating, the regulation of prolactin biosynthesis and secretion is primarily under the tonic inhibition by the hypothalamic agent. It is unique because of the combined neural, which is nipple stimulation, and neurotransmitter neurohormone link. It has both these signals or the messages which convey to the brain. Prolactin release inhibiting hormone inhibit prolactin secretion by lactotropes, which are the acidophilic cells of anterior pituitary. Dopamine inhibits the prolactin biosynthesis by inhibiting transcription of prolactin gene, and also it inhibits release but does not account for overall prolactin inhibition. TRH, which is also called thyrotrophin releasing hormone, stimulates the rate of transcription of prolactin gene. You are seeing this dopamine has inhibitory effect on prolactin secretions from the anterior pituitary, and this thyrotrophin releasing hormone has a stimulatory effect on anterior pituitary for the biosynthesis of prolactin. And here the nipple stimulation through the suckling reflex, this prolactin secretion increased when the signals or when the messages comes from breast and reaches the anterior pituitary through this suckling reflex, and prolactin is biosynthesized, and then it acts on the breast and other tissues, which we will discuss in the biochemical role and functions of physiological and biochemical action. Prolactin is involved in the initiation and maintenance of lactation in mammal. Physiological levels act only on the breast primed by female sex hormones. I'm again repeating, the normal physiological levels act only on the breast tissue primed by female sex hormone, but excessive levels can trigger breast development in overactomized female or even in the male. In rodent, prolactin is capable of maintaining the corpus luteum, hence the name luteotrophic hormone is given to it. Now, the pathophysiology. The tumor of prolactin secreting cells causing amenorrhea, which is cessation of menses, and galactorrhea, which is the milk discharge in women. And excessive prolactin has been associated with gynecomastia, which is the breast enlargement, and impotence in the impotence in the men. Now, the next hormone of this group is chorionic somatomammotrophine, also called placental lactogen. The final member of the growth hormone prolactin and chorionic somatomammotrophine family has no definite function in human. In bioassay, chorionic somatomammotrophine has lactogenic and luteotrophic activity. The metabolic effects that are qualitatively similar to those of the growth hormone, including inhibitions of glucose uptake, stimulation of free fatty acids and glycerol release, enhancement of nitrogen and calcium retention, despite increased urinary calcium excretion and reduction in urinary excretion of phosphorus and potassium. This whole was about this first group of anterior pituitary hormones which we have discussed. Thank you very much, dear students.